Okay, so we're going to show you how to install a number plate on a GLS if it hasn't got one installed already. So there is this plastic bracket that sits here. As you can see, it sits over there. So what you do is you put your hand behind there and you feel for these clips. You can feel them just there. When you're at the back, you just push it down and then push the clip through. You can't just put a screwdriver there and pull it because you're going to break these clips. As you can see, there's a little lip on them, so you need to do that. Then it'll come out. If you've already got a cover from Mercedes Benz, as you can see, it fits nicely into the panel there. We've got our screws in there, so just put that in there. You can put screws through the bump if you want to. We're obviously not going to do that. We don't want to damage the car any further. And then you put your hand behind, you can reach the screw